Welcome to GA Style again, peeps, and today we've got an Audi A4 estate, and what we'll be doing is we'll be installing this subwoofer box that I've just built not so long ago. If you've seen my channel, you will probably see me building that. So that thing is going inside here. This is my pal's car from my company, A4 Garage. His Instagram name. Give him a follow if you're from Northeast. Good guy. Do a good job. So yeah, Audi, this is it. This is what we're going to be doing today. So first of all, what I need to do is I need to remove the glove box to actually get access. There's batteries in the front, so we'll be running a cable all the way along, RCAs, whatnot. So I'm gonna be removing the glove box. You'll be able to find how to do that in a separate video, because this video is just all about the sound system install. Then another thing what I'm gonna be showing you is, because this radio doesn't go on and off, you can actually turn it on just like that. Is there any music? No, folks, in BT, whatever, not. So yeah, need to sort this business out as well, so it turns on and off with the ignition. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the camera up and we'll proceed with the install after I remove this glove box. So yeah, let's get it done. So glove box is out. Happy days. Quite nice and easy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and it just pops off. God knows what the hell that is, but never mind. So that's all out. This little cable here is where my power cable is going. So if you go to the front of the car, I'll remove the battery, and there is a grommet that I've thingied, and if you poke through there, it just goes straight through the insulation that's in the cabin. Oh, somebody's got the cable. So basically then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach one end of the cable here and then just pull it through, and it just goes just up and above there. So it should be enough, and then we'll be running it from here like so down to here, and we'll run along, blah blah blah. So cool. RCAs as well need to install. They'll be running up and above. All these plastics are quite easy to remove, nothing so special. It all just pops off on clips and stuff like that. So we'll be taking the cable within the carpet in there, so we'll push this away, feed it all in there, blah blah blah. And then obviously rear seats need to come out. They're quite easy to take out. You just lift them up and booyah, just pops off like that. And obviously all these plastics are the same story, they just pop up, simple and easy. But yeah, let me put my camera on and let's pull this bloody cable through then. So actually let's remove this thing here, take this plastic away, what's all this cables off, this needs to be tidied up, fucking whatever the hell this is. Showing somewhere there. Right, so let's attach this cable with decent 4 gauge cable. So let's see if we can pull this thing through. And just like that. no hiccups, no nothing, all nice and neat. And now I can actually cable tie this cable to the existing harness, and then we'll just push it through. We'll just push it through there, and then just pull it in the carpet, and that will be the end of it. Like so. That, and then the rest of it is just going down in here, down the side and all the way to the back. Yeah, I've got plenty of the cable, happy days. What's going on in here? I took it in. So, what's next? What's next? I think I'm gonna have to remove these. I'm gonna have to remove these plastics alongside here. Maybe the seat a little bit, probably be easier. Yeah. Like that. It just pops off. If you can get a bloody grip, like. The top part needs to be removed first. Look at that, recording. The top part. Oh man. Oh shit. I fucking hate these clips, mate. You absolutely cannot remove them for what in life. My fucking bright. So this thing slides up. Whew, what a nightmare. Freaking hell. It's a fucking mission. And again, the stupid fucking clips, which are horrible. And then the back one comes up. So that's that. And that's all that. Ooh. It's no lot of space for the cable to go in, like. Yeah. I'll have to remove the seat to actually get it in properly. So yeah, seat might have to be coming out to get this stupid thing in. Right, what do we need to remove the seat? Too much hustle. Alright, seat. Well, there is a side clip and then you have to pull it out. And then you got splines and then there's a T, something on the other side. Ooh. Yeah. Seat out, spline out. Alright, let me get this bloody seat out and then we'll continue with it again. Well, the seat is out. It is actually just a couple bolts, and then there is actually a factory conduit if you lift the seat up. Well, if you lift all the carpet up, as you can see just along here. So this is where all my cable is gonna go, and I know it's not really ideal, but for the sub will be perfectly fine. So cable will run there under the seat, hop straight into the amplifier. So what I'm doing now is I am actually sorting out this craziness here. I need to find the cable for the ignition turn on and off, and that's going to be a bit of a mission because the fuse box, as long as I'm aware, I think it should be on this side. Where's my spray tool? Yeah, the fuse box is in here. I might have to send the wire through the dash into here to bring the power on and off. This needs to be sorted as well because this is the factory. What the hell is that? It's incompatible. What is this? God knows what is this, but whatever. So yeah, I am gonna sort that out and then I'm gonna give you an update and I'm gonna show you what goes where and what and how, which fuse to use, and we'll make this work. Also, I'm gonna test tape it all so it all looks nice and factory. None of this madness. We'll cut them down the size and everything, so make it all look pretty. But yeah, right, let me get cut on and I'll give you an update. Alright, and so far our snares are in, all the cables are in, that's all nicely tucked in. Happy days. All the plastics are back, everything's been back, everything's been run, taped up, whatnot. Now I need to chuck the seat back in, and then basically we'll sort the head unit out, all the cables and wiring, and then the last bit that I need to do is is to attach the ground, and that's it. And that's it really, and then we should be able to test it all. Eventually I can open the bloody boot because I've put a battery back in. So that's it. I'm gonna cut this cable, I'm gonna reuse this for the ground as well. Yeah, lovely. All I can say, all works out as it should do for the time being. Right, let me get this thing sorted and I will give you an update on where to tap into to get yourself remote turn on. Let's do it. Well, one of the updates, as you can see, the hedge unit is all in. And now, where's my keys? My keys are gone, missing. Hey, it comes on. I'm gonna turn this off because I'm definitely gonna get banned again. So then another thing is, how did I get this to work? Well, Audis definitely don't put anything that's ignition powered in here. So this is the extra fuse that I've built in. So what I did is I've attached the wire, my wire, this blue one, to this blue block, which goes on there. So make sure you put it on this side, because this side is the feed, and the other cable that comes out of it goes in that one. That goes, I believe, so for the, I think he was saying rear lights or something like that. So basically, why do you need to take it from the feed side? Because the feed side will feed both wires, the thingy wire, ignition wire, and the component that it has to power. But the thing is, if something happens in your circuit, it will blow this fuse, not this fuse, and this is gonna keep on working as it should. So basically, if something happens and this blows, the rear lights will still work. So if it makes sense, you know what I mean. So, but yeah, it's only quite easy. Bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, and then just pulls out the whole thing. That there, so that easily pulls out. So that's all working. Everything is working this way. Now I'm gonna put that back together. Oh my god, I go to bed. And then we'll proceed doing, I'm gonna sort the ground out, put the ground in, and then I'm actually gonna be putting the I'm gonna see how it's gonna work out, but I think I'm gonna be putting amplifier like on the board, and then attaching the board onto the sub, so it gets less vibration from the box and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna crack on with that part now. The fuse has been installed as well. It's good. Oh my god. Sorry. So the fuse was quite easy. Fuse is just there, and then there is another attachment, spare one on there. So just slump it on there, and that's it really. That's the job's a good one. Everything's so cool. Grommet goes inside there, if you can see it kind of barely there. So yeah, that's all good. That's all good. So I'm gonna crack on, finish that part for the ground cable, and we'll be hearing this thing shortly. So peeps, this is all finished. I've finished the whole thing. That's what it looks, bad boy. From side to side, perfect fit, no budging, no nothing. Happy days. That's what I'm talking about. Give them a follow, why not? So this is still, I need to put it in, but that's the cable goes there, and then boom, we've got a ramp. All the cable and everything's nice and neat, all wrapped up. Happy days, playing really good as well. Shakes the mirror like crazy. 15 man, cone, king of the cone area king. But like I said, this is all finished in as well. I'm gonna tidy this all up, give it a bit of hoover, and that's it. That's the sound system has been finished in this one. So yeah, but like I said, that's the full install. Well, most of the install what I could show you, but basically that's it for this one. I will put a video after I said all my blah 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 things, see how it sounds, see some flex. I actually will do. we'll just go to the test centre because my pal's on his way over anyway, so I'm gonna get him. We'll pop down the test centre, put some tunes on, we'll play some bass, have some fun. Why not give it a go? Tune it up a little bit maybe, or stuff like that. But yeah, like I said in the previous video for the sub install, this is gonna be the last, I believe, so video me doing it in here on the drive again. Thank God it's been nice weather today as well. But yeah peeps, thanks a lot for watching. Like and share, subscribe please. Thanks everybody who was already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra! Oj, oj.
Совесть